I have the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to enable and also how to disable sync do not disturb mode with phone. So this is basically a feature that allows you to synchronize the do not disturb mode with your phone. That means when you turn on do not disturb mode, it also turns it on the phone. And when you disable on the fitness band, it also disables on the phone. So I'll be showing you how to allow that or how to disable that synchronization. So to do this, you'll have to go to the phone app. So just go to the Galaxy Wearable app, tap on band settings, and then go to notifications. Under notifications, you should see sync do not disturb with phone. Currently it's enabled, and you can disable it from here. And when you want to enable, just turn that on. Okay. Now, if you prefer to change the setting from the fitness band, just swipe up from the bottom to the app screen, find settings, tap on that. Under settings, tap on notifications, and then scroll down on notifications, and you should see do not disturb. And for this one, it's just about enabling and disabling the do not disturb mode. So you can see when I enable it here, it also enables on the phone. When I disable, it also disables on the phone. You can see right here. Okay, so enabled and disabled, and that's because we have this enabled. So if I turn this off, now when I enable and disable, there is no effect on the phone. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.